Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanine Amapola. This is your first time seeing my face. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys don't know, I just moved back to Dallas 2 months ago, bought a house, and I'm currently in the process of doing this house, decorating it, styling it, adding changes, modifications. I'm basically starting from scratch with this house. This is my first time owning a house, and I share with you guys the whole journey of buying a house, how hard it was, and then I gave you guys an empty house tour. Like I said, I've been living in this house for the last 2 months, and I wanna give you guys updates on everything I've added thus far. Now, there is so much still to be done. So many different things I want to add for my home, but I've done, I think, pretty well so far. So today's video is gonna be a little bit more of a chill vlog style type of video and just showing you guys the overall house as of right now. Of course, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely check that out, Jeanine Amapola, because that's where I'm showing everything first. I'm posting links to all the furniture there, giving you guys updates and everything of that sort. So make sure you're following my Instagram down below. That is Jeanine Amapola. And I'm just gonna kind of walk you guys through the house, show you guys the update, and let's do it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Okay, as of right now, this is our living room, and we have added some furniture, which has been awesome. So this is my old couch from my place. This is from IKEA, but it's actually a sold out couch, actually discontinued couch. It's the Ektorp couch. Discontinued, so we have, you know, nightstands, coffee table from West Elm, TV stand from West Elm, which I will be swapping out because I don't like all the cables there. I mounted the TV just last week, or my dad helped me mount that, and then I just added this rug, which is from Rugs USA. I will try to have most of this link down below for you guys. I will be adding the artwork there, probably a bookshelf. I'm trying to decide what I want to do on this wall, most likely also adding some windows. But overall, this is what the living room looks like so far, and I'm so far loving it. Loving the color palette and feeling really, really good about it. We also still have this hanging chair that's supposed to go in the backyard, but we just have not done anything with it yet. But I don't know, it's kind of fun in here and I kind of like it. Okay, we've had this one for a bit. This is still our entryway door and it still is really good. I just need to find a basket for down here. Otherwise, I'm pretty happy with how this looks. There I am. Hello, YouTube. So yeah, this is what that looks like so far. So again, just a quick overview. There we go. Again, this is the kitchen. Not many new updates there. Obviously, we just have more like random pieces of decor we've added, and the bar stools and good refrigerator and all that stuff. Otherwise, not too many crazy things there. I will say though, we are having flooring issues, which really freaking sucks, to be honest. One thing about homeowning though that is quite frustrating is like, you don't really know what you're getting. Like honestly, I wanna make a whole separate video about like the things I've learned since owning a home. I wanna make a video about that because there's so many different things I'm like, oh my gosh, I wish I knew that before I purchased a house. Let me know, give me a thumbs up if you guys want that video because I think it would be really helpful. But excuse me y'all, I just had tacos and it is like, not sitting well with me. But some of the floors started bowing, which just means some of the wood started like going like that. So they started like peaking like that. And so when you would walk over it, you would trip. And so we're having a little bit of flooring issues, which is not enjoyable. But since it is the first year of me owning the home, we do get that fixed for free, which is nice. Thank God for that. But it also is very frustrating because it's happening to multiple places on the floor, which is very frustrating. Anyway, I digress. Oh yes, here is the kitchen. I freaking love this so much. If you guys remember, like I said, I did add these cabinets. We are still waiting for the crown molding, so that is still on its way. And here we are having floor issues as well. The next update that we actually did is we got our pantry organized. I will post the company that did this, but I freaking love it. I am so glad it's organized. It looks so good now, as you guys can see. And everything is labeled and it looks amazing. There's not many updates in the dining room, but I will show you the one thing that I'm super excited about that I got just 2 days ago. Again, here's the fireplace. We are not doing anything with it yet. I do plan on getting like white swivel chairs here. These are still patio furniture that need to go outside, but we like having the extra seating in here, so we just leave it in here for now. But I am most excited about this. I just got this dining room table from CB2. Need to still get chairs, need to get a rug, need to get all the decor for it. Overall, I am in love. I waited 2 months for this baby and it is beautiful. And that's what the legs look like. It's very modern, but I love it. The next thing that we've added is artwork. This is all from Diseño.com. Most of my artwork is usually from them. You guys can check out my vlog down below where I hung up this artwork. So you guys can go check out that vlog where you get more home updates there. But overall, very stoked. Our dining room table is finally here. Moving on to the laundry room, I told you guys I was going to be adding storage in the laundry room because we do not have any, and we finally got it, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. This is the before. Very messy. We need cabinets. Pablo can fix that. Alrighty, so this is now the laundry room, and I'm really stoked about it. So I didn't get a matching set, which I'm kind of bummed I didn't, but I got these from like a secondhand discount place, which they sell them brand new, but just not in pairs. And I kind of wish I got it in a pair. Minor detail. However, we finally got storage. I used an amazing guy. He does custom storage. So he built this for us. So we just basically obviously have like little random things in there. And we can hang our clothing, which is what I love. This is so needed. So I'm very, very happy that we finally have laundry storage. And a final note, I will be removing these lights very soon here. So that's about it for the main living room area. So much still more to be done. So many things I can think of that I'm like, I need that done and that done and that done. Overall, it's good and it's still comfortable, and I think it's all coming together and I love it. And now let's move on to the rest of the house. Okay, coming down the hallway, this is still our guest room slash Maddie's second room. It's a mess, so this one clearly needs a lot more work done, but we are working on it. But one thing I did add in here is, okay, this is Maddie's closet that we are going to be redoing as well. I added custom storage in our closets and it looks amazing. The same guy that built the ones in the laundry room did this in our closets and it looks amazing. I'm so glad we also got this in Maddie's room as well. So stay tuned for updates on this room because this one is definitely the least most done room. Is that how you say it? The least done room. Yeah, you guys get the point. I don't want to be all up in Maddie's room because she's not here, but Maddie did get her room done. She worked with a company and got it done. It looks super, super cute. Love that for her. And she also got custom storage in her closet. Alrighty, if you guys remember, we did not have anything at the end of this hallway, so I added custom storage here at the end of the hallway as well, which I'm really glad about. So the one thing I do need to add are some handles. I'm going to be removing this light or fixing or doing something with this, either adding a mirror, adding artwork, or changing the lamp. I'm not sure yet, but I'm really, really glad to have custom storage here. So I need handles. We can store extra blankets and all the stuff in there, and it is honestly so, so, so helpful. Okay, so now if you watched my vlog, you saw me trying to clean out my office. That was a task. It is definitely not done because most of this stuff is still from my old apartment in California. And I think I want to kind of redo this room a little bit so it's more conducive for everything I need to do. Because this is podcast room, filming room, and extra kind of storage and all that stuff. So let me just show you guys what we're working with. Okay, so as of right now, this is the office. Like I said, it still needs some work. And it's like podcast room. I did add this mirror though. I love these mirrors so much. I got one of these mirrors in my room and in here. This is from Home Depot. Love them. I'll link it down below. And then over here, I just have all my stuff for my camera gear. As you guys can see, this is a YouTuber's life. Okay, so now we're heading into my bedroom. Now my bedroom needs some work. Overall, it looks okay. Obviously, it's functional, but there's still much to be done. So again, the office, this, and then my bedroom. So my bedroom is looking like this so far. I will be most likely completely redoing my room. I got this little storage thing from Overstock.com. It was way too small. Doesn't fit all my stuff. As you guys can see, the drawers won't even shut. So we have some work to do with that. Probably will just be selling this instead. Getting rid of that or swapping that, getting new nightstands and like hanging this artwork. And so there's still, again, so much to be done here. But I worked with an interior designer and she said that she thought I needed to get bigger nightstands, bigger lamps, bigger headboard, raise the bed, just make everything look a little bit more elevated. So if you guys follow me on Instagram or my vlogs, I'm always posting pictures and vlogs right here, and that is in my bedroom. Okay, so we're in my bedroom and now we're heading into my bathroom. That's the wall, Jeanine. To my bathroom right here. Okay, so the only thing that I really added to my bathroom is I added artwork and I added custom storage again, which is so helpful. I can put towels, I can put all sorts of things up there. So great, and I'm really glad I added that because it just had so much empty space there and now it really fills it up. And I also got artwork here from Desenio. And something else that I'm going to do is I'm going to be replacing this mirror and that mirror and getting a big, long light up mirror because when I do my makeup in here, the lighting is not that good. So I want one that has lights that come at me like that. And so I'm gonna be swapping that out soon. So stay tuned for that as well. And another thing that I did in here is get my cabinets organized. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So there's not really like any drawers in here. It's just all open. So we got someone to come help us organize everything. I will be getting some shelving actually in here installed soon for here and here and here. That'll be installed very soon. But for now, I got everything installed. You'll look at this. This is so fun.
I didn't get that.
Oh my gosh.
Could you try again?
Stop it. This looks so much better and I'm really glad I got this done because it was a mess before. Last but not least, in this closet, not much has happened. It's still pretty empty. I'm honestly most likely going to swap this into a second closet or a shoe closet because there's so much empty space and so much potential and my closet severely needs it. And that is the house update. Apologize if that was really long, but those are all the updates I've done in the house in the last 2 months. I feel like I'm making a good progress. I will be getting a new couch soon. It's coming, it's on its way. I'm super excited for this couch. It's a big, beautiful, like off-white couch. Because our goal and our dream, because I live with my roommate Maddie, we just want to host people. We want people to feel welcomed and loved and cherished here and everything. And so we just want a house that we can host. And that's why I got a very big open concept layout because that's what I wanted. And so I believe we're gonna get that. So that is everything I've done in the house in the last 2 months. Hope you guys enjoy it. I will definitely be posting more of these. But like I said, on my Instagram and my vlog channel, I'm constantly posting updates. So stay tuned, subscribe there, and also follow my Instagram. But I'm also definitely thinking about posting more vlogs just on this channel because I feel like that just makes sense and I love vlogs. And so let me know if that's what you guys want because I don't know, I think vlogging is super fun and it's a great way for y'all to know me and connect with me and everything of that sort. Obviously, when we're done with the entire house, I'll do like a final house tour with links and everything because we haven't even touched the backyard. The backyard has not had anything done to it, so stay tuned, you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of the journey. I can't do this without y'all. It means so much to me that you're subscribed and sticking around, and I will see you guys very, very soon for another video next Friday with my roommate, Maddie. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, guys.